Hey Nick, short vid on the A minor to C single note run that we had talked about. I'll make this quick. As an example, I'll take it from the Dylan song "You Ain't Going Nowhere." I'll play it through and then break it down. Go through one verse. Clouds so swift, the rain won't lift. The gate won't close and the railings froze. Take your mind off winter time. You ain't going nowhere. So that, I'm gonna move this camera down so you can see what my hand is doing. Going from G to A minor to C back to G. The whole song just uses that. A minor, I'm sorry. G to A minor to C back to G. Now the little run, the little one note run between A minor and C goes like this, goes G to A minor, and then take your middle finger, which is fretting the fourth string, and move it over to the second fret, fifth string, and then to the C chord. So on this fourth string, or fifth string, it's going from the A minor chord to the C chord. So when you're strumming this, what you want to do for that quick one note run, transitioning from A minor to C, instead of hitting all the strings, you want to isolate it to that one string. Where you're playing the A minor chord. One more thing you can add to this that's fairly easy to do once you've gotten that little run on that fifth string, the A string down. Two other little things you can do to embellish that a little more, just to give it a little more flavor, is when you get to the C, when you go from the A minor to the C, the fourth string, which is being fretted by your middle finger, you can do a little hammer on there. Where you play the open string and then hammer on with your middle finger. The last thing is, when you get to this G chord, you can do a little augmentation by putting your index finger, second string, first fret, middle finger, fourth string, second fret. I'm going to take those off. Sorry. That's it for today. We'll make arrangements to get together in sometime in the next few days. So hope this is helpful. I'll see you later.